Here's a curb that I just repaired, and I'm going to show you how I did it. Well, today's job, we got some curbs to fix. So first thing we're going to do is start cleaning them up, get rid of all the grass. Now we're just getting rid of all the stuff that goes on top of here. Use a wire brush. Anything that's loose, dig into it just like you're a dentist. I always say that. Get down there as far as you can. Then you just keep going. Clean everything off first. Now I cleaned the whole curb up and I'm ready to put my forms on. Okay, I'm forming right now these curbs, and I got a line. See the line? And I'm going to back it up here just like that, and I'm going to pour them all the way down. This is what we're using, a quick drying cement. I'll use the full one. Yep. First thing I do, I get my sprayer and I wet it real good. Because wetting is like, that's what makes it stick. And I get my edger, and I just go along the edges. Like that. Now this is that fast drying cement. So it's only about 20 minutes later, and I'm going to take that off. See that? I just want to make sure it's even here with the rest of the curb. I'm going to kind of get it like that. Well, it's starting to get hard. I'm just going to get a bucket of water, get a little sponge. That smooths that top out. I'm going to be going over it again, but it hides a lot of sins. Now I'm going to put a pavement repair. That's what we're using behind these curbs before I paint them, because I'm going to mess it up if I don't. Okay, he's rubbing a little motor oil on the trowel. You know, you're doing a real good job there. You might be able to get a job with the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation.
No, I don't think so. The Japanese are going to take that over. They just invented a shovel that stands up by itself.
Oh. I'm mixing the cement all up. It's going to fill in all those little holes and patches. What I call them honeycombs in here, because they had forms against it. So I'm just going to get some cement all right here. Patch them all up like that, any kind of holes. So then I just get a sponge with a little water in it and go over it to fill all those holes in. Now we're just putting some masonry sand right on top of that blacktop stuff, because we don't want it to be sticking to people's feet and everything when they're walking. I mixed up some Portland paint, or Portland into a paint, and my final go through, I wet it first, again, and I paint the whole thing with Portland so everything matches. Now to explain myself, we have a slope here. All the water's coming down, so I want it to curb lower, because this is Pennsylvania. The water gets behind in there, winter's gonna freeze, and it's gonna snap off. So I try to keep the curb a little bit lower.